Look at this chart. MACD is about to have a cross down. The last time this happened, Bitcoin was at about $60,000 right here a couple years ago. We had this cross and we plummeted in price. Is that about to happen again? We're going to give the latest and greatest of this chart right now. Let's uncover what we're in. Are you tired of being in the rat race? Do you want multiple streams of income? Do you want more free time to do the things you actually like? Time is about to expire and you are about to miss out. $19,000 of value for only $91 a month. You need as little as 5 minutes per week to change your life. Here's what you're gonna get when you sign up. You're gonna make way more money trading and investing. You're gonna have multiple streams of income. You're gonna get out of the rat race. You're going to have way more free time to do the things you actually like. And by the way, you can cancel at any time. It's a no-brainer. Go to CryptoCrewUniversity.com. The clock is ticking. Don't miss out. Click on this box right here. That's the most value and the most popular. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. The 12-day chart, Bitcoin US dollar index. We've got at the bottom of our screen the MACD. We have price action above. And you cannot deny these facts. We're getting close to having a cross down. And the last time we had this cross down was a couple years ago when we were at $60,000 and we plummeted all the way to $15,500. Is that about to happen again? We did this update last week, but a lot has changed in the charts and we're here for it. We need to uncover what is going on. What is the latest and greatest? I want to make one thing abundantly clear. The time is almost out on our sale and you are about to miss out. There's only a couple hours left and this is your last chance. So go there right now, pause this video and then come back here. All right, so the MACD. The MACD involves this blue line crossing below the red line. And when we go back in history, we've had a few of these types of crosses, right? We had the cross up here. Everything is looking good in 2012. And right here, we had this cross down, which is what we're about to have. And right then, Bitcoin's price was at about $600. And look at what happened from there. It went from $600 to about $160 from one simple cross down. And you may think these are not really big. Oh, they're huge because look at the histogram. Whenever you have that histogram in dark green, that's good. Whenever you switch from dark green to light green, that's bad. It tells you that a cross is coming, and boy was it ever. In fact, if you look at this dark green switch to light green, it happened right at the market cycle top. And then we started to get these dark red histograms, which are really bad. And when we switch from dark red to light red, it tells us that we're weakening in trend, but then we picked up this trend again. And you can see, once we have this cross up, we started printing these dark green histogram, which are good. We did not have it cross down until here. We had it cross down back in February 2018. You remember it very well, but we got huge warning signs before we had a cross down. Look at our histogram. Histogram, boom, dark green, month after month after month after month. When we shifted from dark green to light green, that was the market cycle top. You do not want to see that. That was foreshadowing of, hey, a cross is coming. Boom, we had a cross here, and it was dreadful. We had a cross back when Bitcoin was at roughly $10,000, and we went from 10,000 to 3,000 with one cross. You do not want to mess with these crosses. There are no false signals. Every signal has remained supreme. And once again, bull market of 2019. We started phase one of the bull. We rallied all the way up here. We were in dark green. Once we shifted from dark green to light green, the story was already over. And that was our downfall. We already knew a cross was coming. It was just foreshadowing. We had a cross back here when we were at about 8,000 and we fell all the way to 3,000 with one simple cross. These crosses are nothing to joke about. Special gift. I'm going to give a special gift to the first 10 people who hear this and sign up. Your time starts now. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Case in point, look at the past two we had. Number one was right here. We shifted from dark green to light green pretty much right at the market cycle top, just like we always do. But nobody wants to pay attention to that. They all think we're still going back to the moon. But we had this cross down, boom, big turmoil. And then we had our double cross down, which was pretty devastating, right? And we were in these dark red histograms, and you know the drill. We had this positive cross up. We were in this dark histogram. We switched from the dark green to the light green, pretty much at this market cycle top. And here we are about to have our cross down. And this is where things get interesting. There's not a lot of false signals in this, but there's one way and one way only we can avoid such cross. Right now, as we talk, as we're speaking, hot off the press, we are in the midst of a cross, but we still have a few days before this closes. And this can all be avoided by a jolt of magnitude of energy coming into Bitcoin in the form of a potential stochastic RSI cross on the weekly, which we've covered. We do have some things that could help Bitcoin avoid this, but let's make no mistake, you do not want to see these crosses. And the cross is about to bridge some red histogram into the mix, which we all know we want to avoid those at all costs. Historically speaking, we don't have these red histograms come for just 1 month. Look at it. Anytime we've had this cross down, multiple months of red. And remember, this dark red is way worse than the light red. So we don't have a cross down and then just have one little month of red and then we're back to smooth sailing. It doesn't operate like that. So if you are bullish, you do not want this cross. It doesn't just snap its fingers and go away after a week or two. It affects dramatic price movements over the next several months. It's undeniable looking at the facts. But if you're a Bitcoin bull, we can avoid all of this with this stochastic RSI cross on the weekly, bringing up prices, us battling that level again, trying to get above this red line. But again, the monthly charts are saying one thing, that the shift is happening on this monthly chart. We have our weekly charts and smaller time frames trying to add enough emphasis into the market to push the market forward and to start to shift those monthly charts. There are a handful of monthly charts that will close at the end of the month that are starting to show some early warning signs for the next 3 to 6 months of a potential hurricane warning. We can avoid all of that if our weekly charts really take a step up over this next couple of weeks, and we're here for it. We've really created this storyline with this MACD, and we're going to cover it every step of the way. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go to Crypto Crew University. This is literally your last chance. It would be silly to miss out on such a deal. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. I'll see you on the inside. I want to have you earn 5 times more. There's mini courses, form alerts, trade alerts, live videos. My courses have the largest discount right now, but only for a limited time. Our courses have changed so many lives.
I experienced my first big winning trades, over 100% gain.
I have learned to turn off my emotions and be patient and gave me direction for my business activities.
They give you the approach to deal with everything.
If you're not sure whether you should do it or not, I highly recommend that you do.
This is your transformation. You're going to turn it all around starting right now. CryptoCrewUniversity.com.